Okay, today I'm going to be installing the Basenor Screen Protector for my Tesla Model 3. So we'll see what's in the box here. And so here we have the template for putting it on. We have the installation manual. And we have the different cloths for cleaning the screen. So if we open the installation manual, first thing it tells us to do is go to the screen cleaning mode. So we press on the car here and display, and then go to screen clean mode. It gives you a black screen, and there's fingerprints all over the screen, which I think you can see probably. So so the first thing it says to do is to use the microfiber cloth. So we'll take it out here. And maybe able, I don't know if you can see from there, but there's a lot of glare from the driver's seat here on the screen as well. And so we want to move that. Next, it says to use the alcohol pads to clean the screen. So we'll clean it with the alcohol wipe here. And after the alcohol wipe, we use a dust sticker to remove any dust. Then we want to place the installation tool on the screen. Snap it on the four corners here. Then next, we want to peel off the protective screen here, which is keeping dust off the screen. So slowly just pull it down. Then we want to press on the center white sticker here to stick it to the screen. So we slide from top to bottom, push it out with then we wait for 20 seconds for it to properly adhere. Then after 20 seconds, we take hold of the tab at the top here and slowly peel down. Then remove the auxiliary installation tool. Then there's a tab on the left here, and we peel off the protective screen from the front surface here. And then there's a rubber scraper in the kit, and we want to get rid of air bubbles. So we'll start from the center and push up. And we want to remove any air bubbles by applying firm pressure and pushing from the center toward the outside. And there's the finished product. Nice clean screen, much more anti-glare than before, and can't even, it's such a nice clean fit that you can't even tell that we've put anything on there, except that it's cut down on the glare now, and it's nice and clean. The installation tool is really great for putting this on. It looks like a perfect fit, and really quite happy with the way it looks. So I'm really happy with this product for Basenor, and thank you for watching the EV Prof.